Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I wasn't going to buy this one. He was priced at £2.50 in Break, Changing Young Lives charity shop. It's actually marked as not working, but I was reading the original label on it. Frosty the Singing Snowman with LED word fan. I thought, well, that sounds interesting. I think what we have in the globe there's a, well, as they say, a word fan. It's one of those persistence of vision things, and I expect it spins round and shows some words. So I went back and I said, well, £2.50 and it doesn't work. So I managed to talk them down to £2. I probably should have gone harder than that, shouldn't I? So we'll check the batteries first, and then we might have to take him apart. Most likely thing is the usual. It's most likely just the switch gone. But we'll check the batteries first. Well, no batteries. On.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Christmas, Christmas.
So what part of that doesn't work? Yeah, there's no other animatronics in there. There's no body in there that moves his arms or anything. That's all that happens. I can't believe that. Just put batteries in it and it works. Not working. £2.50. I paid £2, put batteries in it, and it works. Well, I almost feel bad about that now. Maybe they didn't realise they had to press the button.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Gosh, and it even turns off when you press the button as well. They don't usually do that.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Oh, wow. Oh, well. We're not going to be taking that one apart either. That's 2 in a row I haven't taken apart. I will take the label off it. Winner. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.